The ginger is fed into the mechanical abrasive peeler. High-pressure water and the rotating drum scrub away the tough outer layer, preparing the rhizome for slicing.
Precision engineering ensures the continuous flow of packaging as the erector swiftly forms the cartons, ready for the ginger powder.
The approved cartons move on to the palletizing conveyors, beginning the final stage of the process.
Industrial cooling fans reduce the temperature of the dried slices before grinding.
After careful drying, the ginger is reduced to a fine powder by the hammer mill grinder, then sifted before moving to the automated packing line.
Workers carefully check the washed ginger on the inspection conveyor, removing any remaining imperfections before the peeling process begins.
We have to check every piece carefully, like this one, before it goes into the next stage.
Once packed, the finished ginger powder is moved by forklift to the loading dock for distribution.
After a thorough wash, the ginger rhizomes continue along the inspection belt, soon reaching the continuous belt dryer for processing.
The ginger powder is carefully collected in these stainless steel hoppers before moving on to the final packaging stage.
Underweight and overweight packs are automatically rejected.
Continuous grinding ensures a steady flow of ginger powder, which then moves through the vibrating sieve for quality inspection.
Oversized particles are automatically returned to the grinder.
Once the cartons are packed, the final shipping labels are applied before being moved to the warehouse.
The ginger slices now enter the continuous hot air dryer, where moisture is rapidly removed, ensuring a shelf-stable product.
The hammer mill crushes the dried slices into coarse particles before they move onto the vibrating sieve for sorting.
Heat sealing equipment securely seals each pouch.
The laboratory measures particle size consistency.
Here in the state-of-the-art lab, samples are plated to check for contaminants, adhering to strict food safety standards.
The automated system precisely groups the sealed ginger powder pouches before they are swiftly inserted into cartons for shipment.
Using precise movements, the sophisticated palletizing machine can stack hundreds of cartons an hour, ready for the forklift. At the end of the line, the automated palletizer prepares the cartons. Once wrapped, a forklift moves the finished goods into the warehouse.
Scene 52. Large particles remain on the screen while fine powder passes through. Once filled with the fine ginger powder, the pouches move rapidly to the heat sealing machine, ensuring a perfect, airtight seal for freshness.
Finished pouches travel along the final conveyor.
Each batch receives a production label for traceability.
Sharp rotary blades cut uniform slices, approximately 2 to 3 millimeters thick.
The empty pouches are automatically fed into the machine, where specialized grippers prepare them for the precise filling process.
The production date and batch number are printed on every package.
The production date and batch number are printed on every package.
The washing machines undergo a rigorous cleaning process, utilizing high-pressure hoses and approved detergents to meet stringent food safety standards.
Yes, the quality is approved. The moisture level is correct, so it's ready for the grinder.
Stretch wrapping secures the pallet for transport.
Check the manifest. This pallet is 7A. It needs to go on the upper rack. Okay, moving 7A up top.
Okay, sample coming through.
Got it. This is batch 7.
The moisture content looks consistent across the belt. Agreed. Let's maintain the current temperature for another 5 minutes.
Keep an eye out for any dark spots or mold.
All right, I see it. This one needs to be removed.